In this video, I'll show you how to find all the applications installed on your MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. There are two simple ways to view your installed apps. For the first method, go to the dock at the bottom of the screen and click the Launchpad or Apps icon. This will display your applications in a grid. You can move between the different pages to browse your apps, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific application. Simply click an app to open it. For the second method, return to the dock and click the Finder icon. It looks like a blue and white smiling face. When Finder opens, select Applications from the sidebar on the left. You'll now see the Applications folder, which contains most of the apps installed on your MacBook. If you don't see applications in the sidebar, click Go in the menu bar at the top of the screen, then select Applications. You can also open it quickly by pressing Shift, Command, and A at the same time. From here, you can browse the list or use Finder's search box to locate a particular app. Keep in mind that some system utilities are stored inside the Utilities folder within Applications, and that's how you find all the applications installed on a MacBook. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Mac tutorials.